At IKEA, we're always trying to do things better, and that also goes for our approach to how we're tackling the climate crisis. In 2030, we've committed to becoming a circular and climate-positive company while inspiring the many people to live a more sustainable life at home. This past year, 2021, was our leap year of sustainability, where we took some big strides in that direction. My name is Monica, and I'm a sustainability manager here at IKEA Denmark. In 2021, we reduced our climate footprint from energy, water, and waste by 75% compared to 2020, while still growing our business 2%, proving that sustainability and growth can go hand in hand. We also introduced Gensel, so our customers now have the opportunity to sell their furniture back to IKEA, and we sell it further so it gets a new life in a new home. At IKEA, we are all about creating a better life at home. And that also goes for the very smallest among us. In 2021, we transformed about 30,000 square meters of mowed grass around our stores into wild gardens so that insects and native plants can thrive. Together with WWF Verdens Naturfond in Denmark, we launched the initiative Danmarks Vilde Haver, where we encourage the many to join our movement and transform their own home gardens and balconies back into wild nature. There's also a greener shift underway in our restaurants and bistros. We now offer customers veggie dogs, veggie burgers, plant-based soft ice, and plant-based meatballs. In 2021, we sold almost 117,000 veggie dogs, and 20% of all the burgers we sold were veggie burgers. By 2025, we've committed to have 50% of all the meals offered in our restaurant be plant-based. For us at IKEA, our sustainability journey is really about making the big and the small shifts. We're committed to making big changes in how we operate so that our customers can make the small steps in their everyday life to live a more sustainable life at home. This is why we are committed to becoming a circular and climate-positive company by 2030.